Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, our topic is isotopes. What are isotopes? So, first, we will define the isotopes. So, the isotopes can be defined as atoms of the same element which having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. So it means that isotopes are the atoms of the elements but of the same element. So the elements which have different kind of atoms. Which kind of atom? On the basis of mass number. So those atoms of the same element whose atomic number are the same but mass number are different are called isotopes. Isotopes have same chemical properties but different physical properties. So what is atomic number and what is mass number? Atomic number, the number of proton or electron in an atom is called atomic number. Atom is electrically neutral because the number of proton and the number of electron are the same. And we know that charge on electron is negative and charge on proton is positive. So they can cancel out the effect of each other, therefore atom is electrically neutral. So atomic number is the number of proton or electrons. The number of proton or electron, or we can also say that the number of negative charge particle or the number of positive charge particle in an atom is called atomic number. Mass number. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called mass number. We know that proton and neutron are present in the nucleus of an atom. And the mass of proton is 1836 times heavy than the electron. Similarly, the mass of neutron is 1842 times heavier than the electrons. So it means that the mass of electron is negligible, which is very, very small, which can be neglected. So mass number or atomic mass is due to the mass of proton and neutron. So mass number is the sum of the number of proton and neutron. So we know that isotopes have different mass number, and we discussed that atoms have the same number of electron and same number of proton. So why they have different mass number? Reason, because the atom have different number of neutron. Sometime may be the same number of neutron, sometime may be different. But if the number of neutron are different, so they can lead to the formation of isotopes. So isotopes are due to the variable number of neutron, and there are certain elements which have the isotopes. Some elements have isotope because their atom have different number of neutron. And some elements have the same number of neutron, therefore they don't have any isotopes. So what are the examples of isotopes? First, isotopes of hydrogen. There are three types of isotopes of hydrogen. First, protium. Protium R1H1. Look here. Below we can mention the atomic number, and above the symbol we can mention the mass number. So protium has atomic number 1 as well mass number 1. Reason, look to the diagram. Protium has 1 proton in the nucleus and it has 1 electron in the first shell. We know that proton and neutron are present in the nucleus, therefore they are called nucleons. They are present in the nucleus, therefore they are called nucleons. An electron revolves around the nucleus in the particular path which is called shell, orbit, or energy level. So how many protons are present in the protium? One proton. How many neutrons are there? Zero. No neutrons. And how many electrons are there? One electron. So we have discussed that atomic number is the number of proton or electrons. So in protium there is one proton and one electron. So its atomic number is 1. And mass number is the sum of the number of proton and neutrons. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. And the symbol of hydrogen is H. So 1H1. It means the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. And atomic mass or mass number is also 1. So protium has 1H1. 1 proton, 1 atomic number, and 1 mass number. Look to the second isotopes of hydrogen, deuterium, R1H2, or it can also be represented by D. Look to the diagram. In deuterium, there is 1 proton and 1 neutron in the nucleus, and 1 electron is in the first shell. So like here, number of proton is equal to 1, number of neutron is equal to 1, number of electron is equal to 1. So look, the number of proton and number of electron are the same. So atomic number is 1. 1 proton, 1 electron, 1. What is mass number of deuterium? 1 plus 1, sum of proton and neutron, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 1H2. So atomic number and mass number. Look, the two isotopes have the same number of electron or same atomic number 1 and 1, but mass number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Look to the third isotopes of hydrogen, which is tritium or 1H3 or T. 1 proton, 2 neutron in the nucleus of tritium and 1 electron in the first shell. So proton is equal to 1, number of neutron is equal to 2, and electron is equal to 1. So atomic number 1 electron, 1 proton, atomic number is 1, mass number is 3, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So again, look to the 3 isotopes. How these 3 isotopes are different. All of them have the same atomic number 1, 1, 1, but different mass number 1, 2, 3. So those atoms of the same element which having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. And these are due to the variable number of neutrons. Look, in the first, number of neutron is equal to 0, and the second, number of neutron is equal to 1. In the third, number of neutron is equal to 2. Now, isotopes of carbon. Another example, isotopes of carbon. Carbon also has 3 isotopes. Carbon 6, 12, carbon 6, 13, carbon 6, 14. So look to the first isotope. It has 6 proton, 6 neutron in the nucleus, and 2 electron in the first shell and 4 electron in the second shell. Because first shell can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons, and second shell can accommodate a maximum of 8 electrons. But it has 4 electrons. So proton is equal to 6, neutron is equal to 6, electron is equal to 6. So what is atomic number? Proton or electron? 6. What is mass number? Proton plus neutron is equal to 12. Look to the second. Carbon 6, 13. Carbon 6, 13. 6 proton, 6 neutron in the nucleus and 6 electron in the shells. So proton is equal to 6, neutron is equal to 7, electron is equal to 6. So atomic number 6, Mass number 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. So look again, atomic number 6, atomic number 6, but mass number 13 and 12. Look to the third isotopes of carbon. 6, 14. Proton is equal to 6, neutron is equal to 8, and electron is equal to 6. So atomic number 6, mass number 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So again, they have same atomic number, 6, 6, 6, but different mass number, 12, 13, 14. So the isotopes are due to the variable number of neutrons. There are a lot of other elements which also have isotopes. Some elements have 2 isotopes, some elements have 3 isotopes, some have more than 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, uranium. Uranium have many isotopes. So this was the topic about isotopes. Now if you have any questions, so please ask me in the comment. Thank you. Best of luck.